Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So, what's the prediction of coming days? Holochain going up or fails down? Exactly, what a big question for all holder. Absolutely, if you are new or if you are a holder, exactly this question is very important for you. Today going up in upcoming time or fails down? So, let's get started the prediction, my friend. First of all, the Holochain video is going very important. I also tell you about the target towards the target, my friend, and what's my opinion in this video. So, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Before I get started, please click the red button for more this type informative videos and press bell icon for videos notification. Okay, my friends, come to the point. If you can see here, my friend, this time the negative change very negative in the last 7 days, my friend. Minus 33.98% they fell us down. So absolutely this is very bad result, my friend. But if we check out this time the chart result, my friend, this is completely fell us down. You can see here, first of all, I draw a two line, my friend. If you can see here, this time the first line is touched, my friend, the highest point, and the second one is touched, my friend, the lowest. So this time, if you can see here, my friend, this is moving in the circulation. You can see here this is totally in the circulation, my friend, move, and every cryptocurrency is moving like that. So Holochain holder, if you can see here, this time they fails down, my friend, but we check out the last 1 hour to if they go again moving up, then exactly this is good time to you hold it and buy more. Absolutely, if you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this is good time, my friend. I think of coming times they're moving up. Exactly, if you can see here in the move of this Holochain, this time you can see here exactly gone good. So I hope they are starting moving up. Let's check out the last 1 hour chart, my friend. After that, I told you, my friends, today going up in upcoming days or they fell down. Exactly, my friend, if you can see here, this time in the last 1 hour chart exactly moving up, but after that, my friends, they barely falls down. You can see here, and after that fails, they take again jump, my friend. So congratulations everyone. After that fails, they going up like a rocket. Exactly, my friend, this is good time. You can see here, and the change occur as minus 0.8%. This is not a big change, this is very small change, my friend. And after a fails, they go, I guaranteed you, my friends, today going up. So please hold it, don't sell it, because they give you very good profit. I hope they can hit it 0.1 US dollar just at the end of this month. So Holochain holder, please hold it and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching, Holochain holder. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.